Hi guys! This time I will show you how to make a souffle cheesecake that can be easily made with 3 ingredients. It's very easy, so give it a try. Then, いってらっしゃい. Use a clean bowl for the egg whites. If the egg whites are mixed with oil, the meringue will not work well. So use a clean, non-oily bowl. Chill the egg whites in the fridge. By cooling in the fridge, you can make a fine meringue. Microwave for 40 seconds to soften. Be careful not to heat it too much, as it will separate. Cream it. When it becomes creamy, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix. If you add the egg yolk all at once, it will become lumpy, so add it little by little. Mix everything together and strain the batter. By straining the batter, it becomes even and smooth. Spread baking paper on the mold. Preheat your oven to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. Lightly beat egg whites with a hand mixer. Put the granulated sugar in 3 times. The finish of the meringue changes depending on when the granulated sugar is added. If you add all the sugar at first, it will not form well, and it will take time until it becomes a meringue with moderate hardness. Not only that, the meringue becomes less voluminous and doesn't contain much air, so the cake won't be fluffy. Beat egg whites until slightly boiled and stiff. Use a whipper to even out the air bubbles in the meringue. This process is called awajime in Japanese. Be careful not to overmix the meringue as it will crack the cheesecake. Put the meringue in 3 times. Mix the meringue, which is added first, well with the batter. This will soften the batter and make it easier to mix the meringue to be added the second and third time. Second and third time, mix gently so as not to crush the meringue foam. Pour the batter into the mold and remove the air. Place a paper towel or towel in the container for hot water. Bake at 100 degrees or 212 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Raise the oven temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's browned, insert a bamboo skewer or the light to check if it's properly baked. If the batter doesn't stick to the bamboo skewer, it's a sign that it's baked properly. Leave to rest in the oven for 30 minutes. Be careful not to take it out immediately after baking, as the cake will deflate. Remove from mold. Look, it's fluffy! Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Wet the knife with hot water for a clean cut. Itadakimasu. Could you see? It's fluffy. It melts in the mouth. So delicious! It's also recommended to pour a sauce made from strawberries, blueberries, or other sour fruits. I think I would eat an entire one whole by myself. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.